Everyone knows Rio de Janeiro, right? You know Rio de Janeiro. Can you point on the map where Rio de Janeiro is? Where do you think it is, at least?
There?
I think I think it's here.
There? Here?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Rio de Janeiro is right here. But it's on, it has sea.
Oh, okay, okay.
But you would
like there?
pretty close. No,
oh,
no.
this there, like here?
Yeah, right here, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. You think it's here and you think it's here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's right here.
No!
Yes. Almost, you are very close. São Paulo is the biggest city in the whole America. North America, South America is the biggest city. Can you point where São Paulo is?
It's also on the coast, I think.
No, it's not on the coast. No, not on the coast.
They have there is the beach.
No, they don't have beach. No,
No?
in the city, no. Rio de Janeiro has beach. Yeah, but São Paulo no beach.
Like here?
Right here?
Yeah?
It's right here.
Oh,
São Paulo. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
No? Okay, São Paulo is here. It's almost to the coast, like 200 kilometers. Oh, you're pretty close, because it's right here. But pretty close. Oh, pretty close, because it's right here. Yeah, pretty close. It's the capital of Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Do you know where it is?
Like here?
Like here?
Yeah?
It's right this
Oh,
way.
it's that one.
Yeah, this one, yeah. No idea? No, it's right here. This one in the middle.
This one.
Yes. Yeah, Brasilia. Yeah, good one. But you know where it is? No? Okay, it's right here. It's the smallest. No, it's right here. Rio de Janeiro. Yeah. Last question.
Okay.
The Amazon rainforest. It's huge. It's huge.
Is it in Brazil?
Yeah, it's in Brazil. Yeah.
Wow, I'm learning so much.
Where do you think it is? Amazon rainforest. It's a huge forest. You know where is the Amazon rainforest? It's a huge forest in Brazil. No, it's here, right here. It's all this part. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, that's it. It's all of this. It's all of this. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
All right, that's it. Thank you.
Bye bye.
I think it's there.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. This is the last one. It's the easiest. The Amazon rainforest. You say here? Yeah. You say here? Yeah. Oh, but we have the state of the Amazon here.
Manaus?
Yeah, Manaus is right here. Yeah, that's it. You're the best one so far. The best one so far.
Okay, viva Brazil!
Thank you.
Obrigada!
Obrigado.
I would say north.
Yeah, north.
So, like down. So here?
Here?
Yeah?
No, it's right here.
Oh, no
Yeah.
way!